Good afternoon. Myself is Raju Tupe. I am librarian at Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru Mahavidyalaya, Shivaji Nagar, Aurangabad. Here I present on my seminar, that is a role of UGC development of academic staff college libraries in India with special reference to NAC, and this is my LIIS 2002011. This is my code. This is my first PPT about problem. Whenever you're doing any research in that, the major most vital part of the research methodology. In that research methodology, it is my method is survey. In survey, I use different techniques like face-to-face communication, oral communication, or I send questionnaire by post or email also. In that, it is very difficult task to collect the data, and that is most important part. And missing some of the that colleges send field questionnaire, that some of the question are not filled or not give any proper information, so that is very difficult task to doing survey or result analysis. Next. This is my idea. In this study, here I gather all the information that in HRDC Center, that in India 66 academic staff college, that is Human Resource Development Center. In that 37 colleges give response me positively, so therefore I study 37 colleges. So I gather information 37 in single window. And second one is to study the grade of National Assessment and Accreditation Council of NAC, that I study the grade of the NAC. Third slide is working principles. To study the libraries of academic staff college libraries in India. That second one, to find out about latest development in the libraries of HRDC. Third one, to collect data from libraries of the HRDC in university under one single window. To focus the grade of HRDC as mentioned by NAC, and to study the innovative and best practices of the libraries. This is my targeted outcome. I gather all over 37 Human Resource Development Center information about library. In India, 66 HRDC center is there. Among that, 37 HRDC center give me positive response. Second, I focus the library working style in HRDC. So whenever I doing this research, that I observe that very poor response of the library. All the librarians are not qualified in this academic staff college. They really, as a librarian, as under non-teaching post. Actually, librarian is a teaching post, and other I think I see no basic service given to users. So it is very give bad message whenever any lecturer professor come out of the city going to any state and doing any uh, you know refresher course or any orientation course, he or she then visit the library that time give a wrong message to regarding that HRDC library. So this is my motto only, that whenever I doing this research, so yeah, you have to give some positive response about library. Thank you. Stop.